On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get the reply option on your Instagram. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get the reply option easily on Instagram app. So first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store, search for Instagram like this, click on it. Right here, you will find the Instagram app and you will find this update option. All what you have to do now is click on this update, and after that you must restart your phone and then go to the Instagram app and then go to your profile, go to the top corner here, click on those three lines, and right here you will find an option. It says update messaging. All what you have to do is click on it. After you click on it, it will update your messages and you will find the reply option. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you so much.